Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have something different, which is this. So this is the RB19 Oracle Red Bull Racing from Rastar. It is a 1:32 scale model, and I could have bought like a Burago instead of this, but I specifically went with this because it was quite a lot cheaper than a Burago model, and it comes with additional stickers which you can put on the vehicle itself. So let's unbox this first. So these comes with these screws, and first we have to remove these to get this casting out of this. And the stickers which I'm talking about are these. So these have extra details which you can put in this vehicle, which is already quite detailed. So let's get this out of this box. So here we have the model, guys, and this looks absolutely beautiful. What a piece of art. I don't know why this specific brand is not in spotlight, but Rastar's diecasts are also very good. Actually, they are famous for their RC versions of these F1 cars, but this is non-RC version. You can see it misses the Oracle branding on the rear wing, which you have to put on the sticker like this. Other than that, this is absolutely beautiful. The wheels actually turn, so that's quite good. The body is metal, the halo is plastic, and the rest all other stuff is plastic, I guess. Yeah, the wing is plastic, the main body is metal, and the entire under carriage of this vehicle is plastic. So let's first put these stickers and we'll talk about it later. So finally, after a very long time, I was able to put all these stickers on this. The stickers are actually so small that it was such a big challenge to put all the stickers on this, but somehow I managed. So we'll start with these on the front wing, and this side as well, the Claro mark, and where the driver sits, it's a small Redbull sign. That was also a sticker, and on the rear wings, and of course the Oracle logo, and this. What do you guys think about this casting? Of course, it's the #1, the Max Verstappen RB19, the infamous F1 car which won many races in a single go in 2023. So do let me know your thoughts, guys. This is absolutely a beautiful piece. So that's it for today, guys. If you do like this model, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.